Hi, this is Somshakar from Maths Guru Academy. If you are watching the video for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my latest videos. Today we are going to solve exercise 3.3 second question in that fifth sub question of the chapter pair of linear equations in two variables. The question is, a lending library has a fixed charge for first 3 days and additional charge for the each day thereafter. Saritha paid rupees 27 for the book kept for 7 days, while Susy paid rupees 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. Find the fixed charge and charge for each extra day. This is the question, right? So what is the first statement? A lending library has a fixed charge for first 3 days and additional charge for each day thereafter. So if you go to library and if you lend a book, then there will be a fixed charges for certain number of days, right? For example, here I will for example, let us assume there will be a fixed charges for first 3 days. So that means if you keep the book for first 3 days, then you have to pay the fixed charges. Let us assume the fixed charges is 30 rupees. So if you keep the book for 3 days, then you have to pay 30 rupees. Suppose if you keep the book for more than 3 days, then additional charges will be added for the number of days you keep after 3 days, right? For example, if you keep the same book for 5 days, then what is the fixed charges for first 3 days? 30 rupees, right? So for this 30 rupees, you have to pay the additional charge for extra 2 days you kept, right? For extra 2 days. So if you keep a book for 5 days, so for first 3 days the fixed charge is 30 rupees, right? So along with this 30 rupees you have to pay additional charges for these 2 days. Like that, here in a library there is a fixed charges for first 3 days. First 3 days there will be a fixed charges and additional charges you have to pay for more than number of 3 days you keep. So Saritha paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days. So here Saritha paid how many rupees? 27 rupees. For how many days she kept? 7 days, right? So these 7 days includes fixed charges and charges for additional days she kept, right? Kept the book for 7 days, right? So these 7 days, so what the additional these 7 days includes additional charges and charges per day, right? So additional fixed charges is for first 3 days. So what is the number of days extra she kept the book? So 7 minus 3, 4 days, right? So 4 days she kept the books more, right? So she have to pay fixed charges for first 3 days and additional charges for 4 days she kept, right? So here here Saritha paid 27 rupees for the book kept for 7 days, means she paid the amount for fixed charges and along with that she paid additional charges for extra 4 days she kept, right? So in the same way, Susy paid 21 rupees for the book kept for 5 days. So here Susy also paid fixed charges for first 3 days and also additional charges for how many days she kept? 2 days, right? So in 5 days fixed charges is for 3 days. What is the number of days remaining? 2 days. So she paid fixed charges for first 3 days and additional charges for the next 2 days. So total 5 days she paid 21 rupees, right? Find the fixed charge and the charge for extra day. So we have to find fixed charges and charge per day, right? So let the fixed charge be rupees X. So we have to find fixed charges. So I took the fixed charge as rupees X. So along with this we have to find charge per day, right? So and the charge for each day be rupees Y. So for additional charges we took Y, right? So here Saritha paid 27 rupees for the book kept for 7 days, right? So these 7 days include fixed charges for first 3 days, we took it as x, plus she have to pay additional charges for how many days remaining? 4 days, right? So 4 into y is equal to 27. Can I write it like this? So this x is a fixed charge and additional charge for 4 days. So total 7 days she kept. Fixed charge is for first 3 days. What is the remaining days then? 4, right? So total it is 27 rupees. So this is our first equation. So in the same way, Sushi paid 21 rupees for the book kept for 5 days, right? So 5 days means fixed charges for first 3 days. What is the number of days remaining then? 2 days, right? So fixed charge plus charge for next 2 days is equal to total amount 21 rupees, right? So fixed charge means x here and additional charge she have to pay for 2 days, right? So 2 into y is equal to 21. So we have to solve these two equations by elimination method. Solving equation 1 and 2 we get. So what is our first equation? X plus 4y is equal to 27. X plus 2y is equal to 21, right? So here plus is there, minus, plus is there, minus, plus is there, minus. So plus x minus x cancel. Plus 4y minus 2y, 2y is equal to plus 27 minus 21, 6, right? So y is equal to 6. If we shift 2 to the RHS, then it will goes to denominator. So 2 1s are 2 3s are. So y is equal to 3. So this is our value of y. So if I substitute y is equal to 3 in equation 1, then what it will become? So x plus 4 as it is. In place of y, I will write the value of y, that is 3 is equal to 27, right? So x plus 4 3s are 12 is equal to 27. So x is equal to 27. If we shift 12 to the RHS, then it will become minus 12, right? So x is equal to 27 minus 12, 15. So therefore fixed charges is rupees 15 and charge per day is rupees 3. So that means fixed charges is 15 rupees and the charge for one additional day is 3 rupees, right? So this is how we can solve this question. Thank you.